As you can see, this is my GitHub page of YouTube Manager. In this you can get the all documentation, and I have created a superb readme file. In the further video where I will show the explanation of the code and content, I was not able to fully explain it, and there was an audio error. So you can see here I have explained it fully. Full YouTube downloader general tasks like please read this all and getting started readme file before starting. All the links are, as you can there is a full usage. I'm also added features like Reddit downloader in it, and there was a issue in it. I have got an issue from someone in the GitHub that to add Instagram downloader, so I'm currently working on it. Okay, so you can see there is a YT bot, and my description is the in which you can place your description when using the command line. And please read the XP configuration file for your paths like Chrome path, Chrome debug path. You need that for the XP configuration file to use in Selenium, as it is a web automation, not a YouTube API. So you need all these things. So peace.
Let's get started. Today we'll be creating a Python manager, Python YouTube manager actually made with Selenium. It can do a lot of things. I will just show you right now. It can upload a video, it can download a video from Reddit and YouTube, it can add description, add thumbnail, add titles, and schedule a video, and a lot of more things it can do. So why did I create this project? Because it's from a personal use. I will show you. If you don't know how to code, also you can use by the command line method. And here is the main code, the uploader, in which you can just directly the class based you can apply this. I will just show you. This is the ytbot command, and I will just it is asking, do you want to upload or local upload? Okay, so first I will show you, then I will explain you how all the things work and how you can use it. So first need a link of the YouTube video. It can be Reddit or it can be YouTube. Okay, so I will just copy it. It will download and upload for you, or you can give a local. If you have video like here in the desktop or something, a location, you can give the video path. First I will do press Y. Okay, for a Reddit R, then I will paste the link here. It take a little bit of time because my internet connection is slow. I am pretty far away from my Wi-Fi. Could not recognize the post type. Okay, what the fuck? I didn't copy it, man. Sorry. I didn't copy it. Yep, I didn't copy it. It happens. I didn't copy it. I just copied the R, I think. It's actually for my secondary YouTube channel. If you have played Apex, we share each other's video or clips in the Apex channels, and it's not like copyright or something. Okay, so it will be fine, pretty. So I will go to the IT upload. I will tell you about myself also in a sec until it's downloading. I will paste the link here, and it's pretty sure. Yeah, it's downloading the video. It will take a sec, just I previously mentioned why, and I will tell you about myself, why I'm making the project, and what mainly I'm Django backend developer. It's learning backend. I'm not a developer, not job, making my personal project. Okay, so you may be wondering why I'm making this Selenium and all. So because I recently like mentioned, it's for my YouTube channel. It's a personal project and it is a working project, so it will be helpful for me. Okay, so currently so I don't have many expertise in this, so I will do a lot of mistakes. I will do a lot of mistake, and this is my second Selenium. I uploaded a previous video on my channel. Okay, so currently I'm making in Django the stock screener, a backend for the stock screener, in which you can get the latest stock prices and update with WebSocket, Celery, Django, and all the other things, in which you can just get a description of the companies and all. So I'm creating that. So it will be a pretty good video. Now my next video will be that. It will take me some time to make that. I'm the video. It's on 95. It doesn't. If you are uploading from YouTube, it won't even take a sec to upload. And even in Reddit, it take almost 10 to 15 seconds. But what I can do, I'm like really the internet is working slow. Okay, so as you can see, it will download the video and automatically open a Chrome session. You don't even have to log in or anything. I will show you how it is possible. Like if you open, if you have worked with Selenium, a new browser will be opened, a Chrome browser but with a different session in which you are not logged in. Okay, so you can see my name, it's already logged in, and it will be same in yours. It is using actually command line for doing this function. You can see my internet is slow, told you, man. Okay, so wait a sec. As you can see, oh, spelling is wrong. Spelling is wronged. Smurf, MURF. My internet is too slow, man. Actually, it runs faster. The internet is slow, kinda. So don't get any wrong ideas. I recommend you use the command line for that, not an IDE. If you are actually using this one command line, okay, in which there are inputs and all. If there are not input, you can actually use an IDE. Just paste the link there. Okay, so I will get a YouTube terminal. Watson is not that bad. It will take the description automatically as I have a folder. I have a no. I have a text file there. I will show you the or you can legends. Sorry, man. Legends. I am like pretty nervous. Okay, so it will take the description automatically. U slash. I will add that later. I will give the creator its credit. Okay. So as you can see, it has taken the title and all. It will take actually. That's not that bad, and description will also automatically taken. You can also give your custom all that because I'm using this one, so it's acting like that because I've made the ID. I'm sorry. I've made this command line function for my personal use. Okay, so it will be in your different. All the links are GitHub in the description. Just taking a second because I'm not using threading and all. I will give more updates on this one. Multi-processing threading. Actually, Python is a lot faster than you think. Okay, if there is a good developer, as you can see, there is all the things, and it even uploaded the video as public. You can see it's all automatic. I'll show you how you can use it as a module. How you can use it as a module. Like it's not a module now. I'll show you how, because there is all the code as you can see in the contents. Yep, the video is uploaded 30 January. I'm recording it now. Okay, so I will close this and I will show you how it is all working. First there is a uploader. It's a class upload. In this send method you are giving all the links. I will show us. I have a sample test. Yep, this is the sample test. You can actually use it as a module from download, import, YTM, download from uploader, import, upload, and like you can download the video by this one module. It's I have all provided an F path. You have to get the path, and you can use an upload and give the path of the video. Here will become the path of the video, and that the path is F path. Okay, then you can use up.send, and you can give your up.detail details. Title is here, description is here, on private equal to 2. Otherwise thumbnail is optional, but title and description are necessary. Okay, thumbnail is optional, so you can give it like that. And I will show you how it is opening a Chrome session. You can see that it is opening a Chrome session of command line, and it is actually in the command line typing this function chrome.exe -- remote debugging port 9222. Okay, so one thing, before you start the video, you have to give your Chrome path here. Okay, you have to give your Chrome path equal to Chrome path. You have to there is a XP configuration file. You have to define these things as per your need actually, because in every there is, it can be similar, it can be changed, because it's where your Chrome path is. You can just go in your Google Chrome and check for the location, like program file, Google Chrome and application, and this is your Chrome driver, which is also, if you have used Selenium, you need this thing to work. And if I don't think it will change, but if in the future the X path of the things change, you can change these. Okay, so I think I should end the video here. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. GitHub links are in the description. I can't actually explain this much code in the video. Okay, so sorry man, I can't explain this much code because it's really hard to explain, because all the things are interrelated. Like download function is using this thing, YT upload, then the thing is going in the YouTube again. So it's a lot of things are connected with each other. Okay, so it's getting a part. So check the description for the full GitHub. All the code I will provide open source.